screamed in pain. Ah! Stop shouting, June! June, I'm so sorry, Hyang. Shouts, sorry, my foot. We clearly told you what do we want from you, but I think you only understand the language of this belt. Don't worry, today I will fulfill your all the wishes. June, walking backward. No, 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 please, it hurts so much. Ah, so sorry. Sharp voice. What's happening here? Hobie, why are you beating him? Hobie stopped and looked at him. Yoongi Hang, you all come early? Yoongi sat on the couch. We have meeting in 1 hour, so we came to home. Yoongi Hang, we brought the files. Yoongi, T, where is Cook? T, he was checking the weapons. Yoongi, and Jimin? T, Jimin is on the way. He will be here in no time. Yoongi, Hobie, now tell us, what did he do? Why are you beating him? Hobie, Yang, I'm so fed up with him. Last time in front of you I gave him warning that I want full marks from him, but still he has the audacity to disobey us. T, how much percentage he got? Wait, it was his pre-board results, right? Yoongi, yeah, he got only 97%. Can you believe on this, Yang? Only 97%? T grinded his teeth. What? This much low marks? We provide you everything, then also this much low marks? We don't let you do any work. We fulfill your all the wishes before you tell us. In return, we just want you to get good marks. Is this much most difficult task for you? Can't you do study? June, one tear dropped from his eyes. Sorry. T shouts, stop crying, June. Crying is girls' thing. Boys can't cry. Can't understand simple thing. June quickly wiped his tears. So sorry, T Young. T, what sorry, huh? How many times we have to make you understand this? You belongs from mafia family. You should be strong. I can't believe how can our brother be this much weak? Yoongi, super scary voice. Why did your percentage dip this much? June, super scared. Computer people came from out of syllabus. I got full marks in every subject except computer. Because of it, my percentage went down. Yoongi, what do you have to become? June, shaky voice. Hacker. Yoongi, not only hacker, you have to become world's #1 hacker and join us. People came from outside is just an excuse. We want at least 99%. Hyang, all the weapons are up to the mark. Jimin Hyang called me. He's stuck into the traffic. He told me to inform you. Yoongi, T, Cook, come to my room. We have to discuss our strategies. Hobie, continue your work. Yoongi left to his room with T Cook and Hobie again started beating him mercilessly. After 20 minutes, Jimin came there and saw June was laying on the floor and Hobie was beating him without any mercy. He went to him and tried to stop him. Jimin, Hobie Yang, why are you beating him? Now what did he do? Hobie looked at him. He got only 97% in his pre-board exam. Jimin shocked. What? Hobie, now move aside. Jimin, Yang, you beat him enough. He got just 2% less. Now please no more beatings. It's not about the percentage, Jimin. Jimin looked at him. Yoongi Yang. Yoongi, it's about the rule. He is Mafia's brother. He has to be perfect in all the departments. He can't do any mistake. Mistakes aren't allowed in this house. Jimin looked down. Yang, I know this very well. Yoongi, if you know this, then made him understand this too. He still has the last chance. If he will get less than 99% in board exams, then he will face real heartless mafia. I won't show any mercy on him. He has to become #1 hacker and he has to do. He doesn't has any choice. Now treat his wounds. We are going for meeting. He left from there with T Cook and Hobie. Jimin treated his wounds and made him sleep too. Let me give you all their introductions. Name Min Yoongi, age 28 years, profession Mafia King. Name Min Ho-suk, age 26 years, profession Mafia Leader. Name Min Jimin, age 25 years, profession Mafia Doctor. Name Min Taeyang, age 25 years, profession Mafia King's right hand. Name Min Jungkook, age 23 years, profession sharpshooter. Name Min Namjoon, age 19 years, profession university student. Yoongi is the head of the family and a heartless mafia king who wants everything according to himself. Whatever he said became the stone words. Nobody can deny his orders. He wants everything perfectly perfect. For that, he trained everyone since his childhood. Mercy, this word doesn't exist in his dictionary. He is completely heartless. He doesn't affect by anyone's tears or pain, or maybe he affect but doesn't wanna show. He always behaves super strict with his brothers. He wants to become the world's best hacker and join them. He decided his profession even before June can understand the meaning of dreams and career. But does June wanna become a hacker? No, he doesn't wanna become a hacker. He doesn't wanna join mafia world. He hates this profession because he saw how his Yangs usually returned home while injured. He is soft-hearted, but his Yangs wants to change his whole personality. He has lots of emotions, but he is strictly prohibited to show his emotions. According to Yoongi, emotions made a person weak, and a weak person can't survive in this cruel world. You have to rule on everyone by hook or crook. Everyone followed Yoongi's footsteps and fully converted themselves according to Yoongi and became emotionless. No one talks sweetly with each other. They are always in super strict mafia mode. Only Jimin understood June. In Alone, he always wants to give him his all the love and comforts. He tried to cover up his mistakes as much as he can and protect him from everyone. Time skipped after some days. June cleared his 12th exam with 99.8% and cracked the entrance exam of the university with full marks. It's the entrance ceremony orientation. University's dean was giving the speech and invited June on the stage and requested him to say something to the students. Dean, now I want Min Namjoon, who cracked the entrance exam with full marks, come on the stage and share his experience with you all. June went on the stage. First of all, thank you so much for this, sir. If you work hard on something, then you will definitely achieve your goal. Student 1, you cracked the toughest exam in the first attempt, and that too with full marks. Your family must be very proud on you. June remembered his countless beatings and darkly chuckled. Yeah, my family is very proud on me. In fact, they gave me so many rewards too. Student 2, I heard you are the topper since the childhood, so it's not that difficult for you to crack this exam. June remembered his Hyang's countless torture and sleepless night. Of course, it's not hard for me. I just studied few days for this exam. If you are the topper, then cracking any exam is just a piece of cake. Student 3, lucky you. Your family never pressurized you for getting more marks because you are already a topper. June remembered how Yoongi threatened him to get 99%. Yeah, I'm very lucky. I never get pressurized for getting more marks. My family is very satisfied with me and my results. Time skipped after some days. Everyone returned to home and saw June was kneeling down on the rice grain near the couch. He was holding the books. Maybe he was studying. Cook was sitting on the couch in front of him and keeping his eyes on him. Soon everyone settled themselves on the couch. Cook brought water for everyone. June wanna drink water. T completely ignored him. Cook, how much chapter he completed. Cook gave him papers. Only 10, Hyang said with frustrated face. Tea, what? He only completed 10 chapters since the morning. Angrily looked at him. June! June looked down. I'm doing, Hyang. I will finish all 14 chapters by today itself. Hobby. We thought to start your training, but here you can't even manage your studies. Everyone started their training in first year of university, and there is you. Now I have doubt that you are really our brother. June looked down. Sorry. Cook shouts, sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm tired of this word. After living with us since your birth, you didn't understand that there is no place of sorry. If you said this word one more time, then I will lose my all the patience. Jimin, Cook, calm down yourself. He's trying now. He will definitely complete all these chapters, right, June? June looked at him with hopeful eyes. Yes, Hyang, can I get water? I didn't drink it since the morning. Jimin quickly picked the glass and gave him. Of course you can. But before June can grab the glass, Yoongi snatched it from his hand. Yoongi, first completed chapters. After that you can eat or drink anything. Jimin, Hyang, he will be dehydrated. He didn't eat and drink anything since the morning. He will be pass out. Yoongi, nothing happened to him. He has to become a mafia. For that, he has to become super strong. Jimin, Yang, he is our brother, not a rival. He doesn't deserve to be treated like this. Give him some time. He will definitely adjust himself in our mafia's style. Yoongi, if you already forget, then let me remind you, I am the one who can decide what will happen here. I know very well how to treat my brother. I don't need your advice. He can't get any special treatment just because he is a matinee. Now go to the kitchen and prepare dinner for us. Time skipped at the night. Jimin came to June's room for treating his wounds. He saw June was sitting at the corner while holding a book. Jimin went to him and put his hand on June's shoulder. June immediately looked at him. June, Jimin Hyang. Jimin pulled his knees, which have deep shades of red marks along with rice grain marks. It will give a burning sensation in the starting, but bear it, okay? June looked at him and slowly nodded his head. Jimin, June, can I ask something to you? June hissed in pain. Yes, Yang. Jimin, what happened to you? Why didn't you complete the 14 chapters? As much as I know, you used to finish 20 to 25 chapters in a day. You have 148 IQ. Then what happened today? June, I don't know, Yang. I remembered everything, but when Cook Yang gave me sample papers to solve, I suddenly went blank out. Nothing come in my mind. Jimin, then why didn't you tell this to Cook? June, I told him everything, but he said I'm just making an excuse. I thought he will tell me to take some rest, but no, he brought rice cane and told me to kneel down on it and learn again. Being a doctor, Jimin immediately understood his problem. He was continuously studying without drinking or eating anything, and that too in the pressurized atmosphere. That's why his mind went blank. He was born intelligent, but because of too much pressure and self-doubting, he lost his confidence. Jimin patted his head. Don't worry, everything will be fine. You just need some rest. You have to calm down your mind. Opened his medical bag and gave him 2 cupcakes along with a small bottle of water. Have it. June shook his head pugiliously. No, I'm not allowed. Yoongi Hyang strictly denied me to have anything. Jimin opened the bottle. Right now, you don't need to think about anyone. Just have it. I'm saying this to you. Placed the bottle on his lips. June hurriedly started drinking the water and hungrily started eating the cupcakes. He didn't have anything since the morning. Seeing this condition, Jimin's heart broke into the million of pieces. He is feeling guilty on his helpless condition. He can't help his brother. He silently wiped his tears and smiled to see his glowing face after eating cupcakes. Jimin in mind, I wish God will send someone to end his suffering. I am helpless, but not you, God. If I ever did any good deeds, then in reward I want my June's happiness. Please help my June. June shook him a little. Hyang. Jimin wiped his lips by his hands. You spread cupcakes in your face. June, sorry, I was so hungry. Jimin ruffles his hairs. It's okay, now sleep, don't worry. Jimin helped him to stand up and made him lay down on the bed and covered him by the blanket and left. It's cold outside. He came down the stairs as his room there, but got welcomed by a hard slap. He trembled and held the staircase to get support. He looked upward and froze at his place. Jimin, Yoongi Hyang. Yoongi, you got this much guts to go against my words. Jimin, he was thirsty and hungry. Yoongi left from there and quickly returned back while holding a bucket of icy chilled water and poured on him. Yoongi, 5 rounds off the ground. Jimin quickly went outside without saying anything. He started running while shivering because of cold. He looked upward and found June was looking at him through his room's window. He indicated him that he is fine, he should sleep now. Time skipped after some days. June was walking on the hallway while reading the book. It's his habit to walk while reading. Suddenly he bumped with someone and they both fall. June, oh, I'm really sorry. It's alright. June, are you alright? I'm really sorry. I didn't see you. Angry as hell. What? You didn't see me? How can you not see? The worldwide handsome man started rapping. June, I was reading the book so I didn't notice you. Over dramatically. You didn't notice me just because of this book? June, yeah, I'm really sorry. Once again, bored and left to himself. Has my handsomeness diminished? No, my worldwide handsome face can't be defeated by a mere book. Look like I have to check my handsomeness. Looked at the boy and waved his hand, and that boy bumped into the wall. Ash, my charm is still working. Then why doesn't it affect on that dimple boy? Shouts and ran to him. Hey, you dimple boy! June didn't stop. This boy showing attitude to worldwide handsome man ran to him and cut off his face. June, yes, what happened? Why aren't you stopping? I was calling you from so long. June, confused. You're calling me, but why? Yeah, I was shouting, hey, dimple boy. June, oh, I thought you were calling to someone else. Again started walking. Hey, why are you walking? June, because I doesn't want to late for my class. Are you a nerd? June, you can see that. Okay, my class came, went inside the classroom. Hey, he already left. He started searching pen to sign the document which he was holding. Feared that this pen lost. June saw him searching the pen, so he went to him and gave him his pen and again went inside the classroom without saying anything. Our worldwide handsome man was waiting to end June's class. As soon as his class ended, he dragged him inside the garden. June, hey, what happened? Why did you drag me here? Because we haven't done from morning thing. June, morning thing means forcefully made him sit. First sit here, then we will talk. June, I don't have time to sit. I have classes to attend. But classes are already end now. June, but I have to attend more classes other than university's class. Oh, I want to talk with you. Cut off by the call. He started talking with his mom and June unknowingly smiled to see the way he was talking, but suddenly his mobile started lagging. To mobile. You stupid mobile, you can't lag now. I have to talk with mom. June snatched the mobile. June, wait, let me check. Did something return to him? Your mobile is working now. You can talk to your mom. Really? Checked his mobile. Oh, thank you so much. June, now I'm going. Bye. held his hand. Wait, na. June melted by his na. Okay, fine. Tell me what happened. Give me your mobile. June, my mobile? But why? Oh, for Dimple, why? You ask so many questions. Just give me your mobile. June gave him mobile after unlocking it. Okay, have it. He saved his number in his mobile and called June to get his number. June looked at his mobile. Jimmy, Jin, I'm Kim Shiko Jin, aka Worldwide Handsome Jin, but you can call me Jinny. June, I'm Min Nam June. Jin, okay, Junie. June, no, I'm June, not Junie. Jin, for me you're Junie. Now go, you have glasses, right? June, can I get my pen back? Jin, forget about it, it's mine now. June smiled. Okay, keep it. Left Arthur's point of view. Since that day, June's life took 360-degree turn. Jin became the ray of happiness in his life. They both started spending time with each other. Jin released his all the stress. He made him happy by his dad's lame jokes, but it doesn't mean he didn't get his hands beating. He still get, but now he has Ginny who listen to him on his shoulder. He can cry as much as he wants. He helped him to get back his lost confidence. His performance also started increasing. Jin made him understand that anyone can cry. Crying never make anyone weak. In fact, it helps to release all the emotions. It's good thing. June shared everything with him which he never shared with anyone. He told him about his sufferings, his dreams, everything, and Jin decided to help him. Time skipped a few days. Yoongi got a message from June's mobile. He checked it. In that message, it was written, owner of this mobile jumped from the building and died. Here is network issue, so I can't call you. If you are his relative, then come here. Write down the address. After getting this message, Yoongi's body got numb. He immediately ran to June's room to check him, but he wasn't there. He tried to call June, but it was out of network coverage. He gathered everyone and immediately reached at that place. They all reached there and saw June was laying on the ground and lots of blood were flowing from his head. Hobie immediately understood June's clothes because he saw him last time. Everyone ran to him. Jimin was going to touch him, but Jin stopped him and lightly pushed him. Jimin angrily shouts, "What the hell are you doing? I'm a doctor. Let me check him. We should take him into the hospital." Jin emotionlessly, "Don't come closer to my Junie. He already left. I don't want your bloody hands touch my Junie." T, what nonsense are you talking about? He is our brother. Jin shouts, "He isn't your brother. He was your brother. He did. You all go. Shut up. I will just. Jin, just like you, my Junie. Do whatever you want. I'm not afraid of you. When you can your own brother, then you will definitely me too." Went to Yoongi, who was looking at the body lifelessly, and you mean Yoongi, the king of mafia, you mentally pressurized him this much that he decided to give up. You want he will become a world's #1 hacker and join you? Now see what your greed did. You must be feeling bad that you lost your future world's #1 hacker, right? You mean Hoshuk, you must be missed the dummy on whom you took out your all the frustration and anger, right? You Min Taeyang and Min Jungkook, you yourself faced the same pressure, but instead of supporting him, you all joined your hang and started torturing him. Min Jimin, what should I say to you? You tried your best to make everyone understand, but no use. It's good that he died. Who wanna live in this much toxic atmosphere? Yes, you are his yangs. You have the full right on his life, but you can't control him. He is a living man, not a puppet. Just because of your so-called ego, do you even realize how much he suffered? Yoongi dropped on his knees and burst into tears. No, it's not the truth. I love him so much. Yes, I pressurized him because he got her mom's nature, soft and humble. Because of humble nature, she lost her life. She helped a child and our rivals her. I lost our mom in front of my eyes. That day I decided my all the brothers will become super strong. I hate the humbleness. I just want to protect him from this cruel and selfish world. I thought he will become a hacker, then he will be happy. I only want his betterment. Jin, I'm sorry for your loss. Indeed, your intention was right, but your way was too wrong. Do you know what did he wanna become? He wanna become a lecturer. He wanna be open a school and university for unprivileged children. You didn't know about his dream, and you are saying you love him. By hate, you can't win anyone's heart. You said you did this for his better future. Who are you to decide his future by the name of betterment? You can't force your wish on him. Only he has the right to choose his career. As a guardian, you should support him on his dreams and encourage him to achieve his goals. Yoongi, I'm sorry. I realized my mistake. I went blind in my ego. I can't see his sufferings. If I get one chance to improve my mistake, then I will definitely do that. Jin, you took too much time to realize your mistake. Now nothing can change. Jin showed them the mirror of their act. Everyone started getting the flashback of June and trying to find out any happy moment but couldn't get because they never created any happy moments together. They were guilty on their acts, but now it's no use. Happily, Ginny, see, I brought your birthday cake. Now we can sell it. Looked at everyone and froze at his place. Yoongi looked at him. June! Jin took the parcel from his hand and Yoongi started checking him. He was only standing there. He was too shocked. Yoongi, June, are you fine? June, yes, Yang, sorry. Yoongi hugged him tightly. Don't say sorry. We are sorry. We are really, really sorry for everything, whatever we did with you. Everyone bowed in front of him. We are really, really sorry for our deeds. June looked at Jin, then them. What are you saying? I don't understand. Please don't do this. I don't like it. Yoongi, June, you wanna become a lecturer, right? You can become a lecturer. You don't need to become a hacker. You can live your life according to yourself. We learned a lesson. We don't force you to do anything. June looked at them with teary eyes. Really, Yang? Hobie went to him and patted his head. Really? June, I don't want anything except your love. I will become a hacker. I just want you all love me and support me. Yoongi, we will always love and support you in your every decision. Women cook. Are we allowed to join in hug? June looked at them. Of course you can. Come here. They all hugged each other. It's their first time to hug each other. Jin was looking at them with a smiley face and teary eyes. June, Ginny. Yoongi looked at him. June, who is he? If you're fine, then who is he? Point on dummy. Jin, let me tell you everything. I'm Kim Shiko, Junie's best friend. Few weeks ago we met. When I got to know about Junie's suffering, I decided to help him. I called him today and lied to him that today is my birthday and I want to celebrate it with him. When he came here, I sent him to buy cake. I tricked him and changed his clothes too. Turn the dummy. It's a dummy. As a drama student, it's not difficult for me to arrange fake things. Sorry to trick you all, but this is the only way to make you realize your love for him. Jimin, I must say you are such a great actor. T, thank you so much. Because of you, we got our brother back. Cook, we never repay your debt. June, once again, thank you so much. June, now what will happen to this cake, Ginny? Jin, it's for you. Today is your new birthday. You got your happy family back. Yoongi, yeah, right. Let's celebrate together. They all happily cut the cake and celebrated together. And about their punishment, so nothing is more painful feeling to lose your loved ones in front of your eyes. Those few minutes were the biggest punishment for them. June only wants his Hyang's love. He craved for it and finally he got it. Obviously, he can't forget his past, but they are trying to heal his pain by their love. June decided to pursue hacking so that he can help his Yangs whenever they need him. After this hacking course, he will pursue his dream to become a lecturer. Everyone deserves a friend like Chin who always stays on their side. Don't force your child, loved ones to pursue your dreams. Let them choose their dream by themselves. It's their right. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. So many readers requested me for June's one shot. So here it is. It's my idea. I tried to show a proper student's situation. Mostly scholar students are forced to pursue the dream which their parents decided for them. I'm not saying average or below average students aren't forced. It's just scholar students are forced more because they have to bear everyone's expectations. By family pressure, they choose this dream which isn't good according to their ability and end up losing their life. It's all happened because parents don't want to understand their kids' perspectives. They thought they are doing good by forcing them, but no, they are pressurized them. They made them mentally very weak. Why is it so difficult to support your child in his or her dreams? Do their ego is bigger than their child's life? No, but till the time they realize this, they already lost their precious kids. I hope you all understand the strong meaning behind this story. To be honest, I really don't have any expectations from this story because it's based on June. But I will be happy to know that how many real armies are here. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. Don't forget to do comments. I will be waiting for your response. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.